Most people overthink this category and end up buying the wrong thing for the wrong reason. There is usually one or two details that settle the decision, and they rarely show up in the headline specs. Think about the actual moment you are going to reach for this. Not the unboxing, not the setup. The third week in when the novelty is gone and you just need it to work. That is the test that matters, and it is the one most reviews skip. The gaming PC desktop computer Ryzen 55500. Radeon RX 650 XT 4GB. 16GB DDR4 RAM. 512GB NVMe SSD. Pre-built tower for 1080p gaming streaming. School and home office white is built around Dominate 1080p gaming. Equipped with the Radeon prescription, number 6500 XT 4GB graphics card. This gaming desktop delivers smooth, high frame rate gameplay in your favorite titles like Fortnite, Valorant, Apex Legends, and more at 1080p resolution. That is the thing that separates it from the generic options at similar price points. It is not trying to do everything, it is trying to do this one thing well. The first thing worth understanding is Dominate 1080p. What that actually means day to day is that you are not fighting the product to get a result. It handles the friction for you. The second feature I want to flag is powerful processor. The 6-core, 12-thread Ryzen 5 5500 processor handles demanding games, browsing, streaming, and multitasking with ease, providing a responsive and seamless computing experience without bottlenecks. This is the kind of detail that looks minor on the spec sheet, but changes how you interact with it over time. If you have bought something in this category before and found yourself working around a limitation, this is usually the part that addresses it. Both of those together are why this one sits where it does in terms of reputation. Here is where I have to be straight with you. Lightning fast speed, boot up in seconds and load games in a flash with the ultra-fast 512GB NVMe SSD. Offers significantly faster performance than traditional hard drives and SATA SSDs, plus ample storage for your entire game library. If that does not match your situation, there are better options. And I would rather you know that now than find out after the fact. I do one of these breakdowns every day. If that is useful to you, subscribing is the fastest way to keep up. Looking at the pattern of feedback on this one, effortless multitasking. With 16GB of high-speed DDR4 RAM, you can game, stream, chat with friends, and browse the web simultaneously without any stuttering, lag, or slowdowns. The buyers who are most satisfied are the ones who bought it for the right use case. The critical reviews mostly come from people who needed something different. On pricing, Amazon shifts this around more than you would expect, so I'm not going to quote you a number here. What I will say is that for what you are getting, the price point generally makes